Let me just test this. Oh, here?
How's it sound, Jason?
Sounds really solid. All the way. Oh yeah, that's one big solid piece of rock.
Sweet. Alright, good thing we're
Good thing you're sitting right below it.
Hey, is this Serenity crack?
I think so.
Yeah, Sons of Yesterday?
Some sort of classic 5-star pitch.
Granite. This is some solid, beautiful granite. Oh yeah.
Don't take granite for granted.
Okay. Rock climbing is awesome. This is some sweet shit right here, ladies and gentlemen. You can't find this in Yosemite or, you know, most places. This is really a special experience. It's a rare privilege, really, to climb in the beautiful state of Washington. This is really what it's all about. Kluchman Rock in the foreground and Strobach Mountain in the background, with some remnants of ice climbs clinging in there.